All right, geometry students, we're going to look at Unit 1, Lesson 12, which is about defining translation. Translation is just the basics of moving a point from one spot to another in a direction. Lesson goals. I can describe a translation by stating the directed line segment. The directed line segment is kind of how we identify the distance and direction that our translation will go. Number 2, I can draw translations. So once you have the directed line segment, can you use it to move your shape? All right, so review and vocabulary. So assertion, remember, is just a statement that has yet to be proven true. Rigid transformation is the moving in some way of a shape to another location, but does not change the size of the shape. It keeps it congruent, which is equal, the same. Reflection is the ability to move something across the line, kind of like a mirror. Image is the new figure after you've done a transformation. And then a theorem is something that has been proven mathematically. All right, directed line segment is a line segment with an arrow at one end specifying a direction. So here we have directed line segment AB. So I have that segment, so the segment AB dot to dot would be the distance that things are going to move. The arrow shows that we're going to move from at this angle left to right. So it's going to go up a little bit and it's going to go left to right because of the arrow. Translation. Taking a point to another point so that the directed line segment is parallel and the same length and direction of the given line segment. So basically we're going to use this line segment, but we always have to use it in the same direction. We always have to use the same length, and we always have to keep it parallel. So if we're using it on different points, they all have to use a parallel line segment. All right, so your warm-up to start our conversation tomorrow is a notice and a wonder. Remember, give me 2 notices and 2 wonders. And we have this picture here. Here I have triangle CDE, and then I have this triangle up here, and I have this directed line segment of V. So give me 2 notices, 2 things that kind of strike you of this picture, and then 2 wonders, 2 questions that you come up with that maybe will help you understand the picture better. All right, bring that work tomorrow, and that'll start our discussion. Thanks.